Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a brief review of NIO Electric Vehicle Company's earnings review, third quarter results. So let's get right into it. The main theme here is the expansion for in Europe is underway for NIO. The company's doing a good job expanding there. And NIO is a little bit different than other electric vehicle companies in that its servicing stations has battery swapping technology. So instead of parking and recharging your battery for your electric vehicle, NIO allows you to park and swap out your older battery for a newer battery, and it gets you on your way faster than having to wait up to 30 minutes or more to charge your battery. So it's a faster swap and gets you going faster, more convenient for customers, and that has the potential for it to be a better customer value proposition for folks looking for an electric vehicle. In the third quarter, overall revenue increased by 32.6% to 1.8 billion, but its net loss widened by 392% year over year. The higher battery costs are pressuring profit margins. Its vehicle margins fell to 16.4% compared to 18% in the same quarter the prior year. To put these figures into context, Tesla's vehicle margins are approaching 30%. And so it worsened year over year, and it's also behind, I would say, the industry leader Tesla in regards to the vehicle gross profit margins. But its production is pretty solid. It delivered 10,059 vehicles in October alone, which was up 174% year over year, and it delivered 32,600 cars in the third quarter, which was up 29% year over year. Of course, and I say this with many of the electric vehicle companies that I follow, like Tesla, like Rivian, like NIO, their issue is mostly in production and getting in ramping up output because customer demand is robust throughout all of these companies. They have backlogs, customers waiting for months and sometimes years to receive these cars that they order. So it's a matter of getting production up, it's a matter of producing efficiently, keeping your costs down. That's the main issue with these electric vehicle companies and electric vehicle stocks. The company it was primarily based in China, and now it's expanding into Europe, and the expansion management noted that the expansion is going well, so that's good news for NIO stock investors. The company had cash of 7.2 billion as of September 30th, and boy is it going to need it. It is expensive to build out this battery swapping technology network. It is expensive to ramp up production of electric vehicles, and so all of these companies are going to need a lot of cash to support this growth in efficiencies and scale in reaching a level to finally be profitable on the bottom line. But until then, they need some cash to support that growth, and NIO's got it with 7.2 billion as of September 30th. For the fourth quarter, the company is guiding to deliveries of 45,000 vehicles. That would be a nice increase from the third quarter pace of 32,000 vehicles, and it's guiding for total revenue of 2.6 billion at the midpoint, which as well would be a nice increase from the third quarter's pace of 1.8 billion dollars. So overall, solid progress from NIO, from this electric vehicle stock, solid progress in the third quarter on its way to reach economies in scale. However, still major concerns remain with NIO stock, mainly political concerns with the rising headwinds of trade between the US and China, restrictions of semiconductor chips going from the US into China, from other parts of the world into China, which could limit NIO's growth. So that's still there. That wasn't really addressed in this quarter. That risk hasn't gone away. However, the one risk that was a little bit diminished was its production output, to see the nice growth in production in the third quarter, as well as the outlook for the fourth quarter. deliveries of 45,000, alleviated any concern that the company was not going to get enough supplies to ramp up that kind of production and that kind of delivery. So that was good news for NIO stock investors. Okay, so that's all I've got for this NIO stock update. If you've gained any value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It'll help me make more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for all investors of all skill sets and risk levels. So I'm proud to partner with the Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 3 times. Go to fool.com/Parkev to get your 10 stock picks now.